Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So what we got here today in our shop at Motor Styles Hobby Shop is a new creation. It is an ARRMA Skyline Nissan GTR, and we customize it, and it's a 1/7 scale. It's about like 80 miles an hour out of the box, and it's a cool looking vehicle, and now it's available, and you can make one yourself if you want. It's just going to take you a while to do that and to set everything up, and there are right now one of those only available. So if any of you guys want it, come down to the shop. We'll tell you what they go for. They're not cheap, but you will have something that nobody else have. And again, this one is a Nissan Skyline GTR. It's actually pretty cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you can see and be able to get whatever nobody else have. Bye.